Good day, Real Talk community. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Real Talk with Zing. Um, this is a completely different look, and you're like wondering what's going on. This is possibly not what I've seen in previous videos. Well, this is what's going on. I've been away. Um, I've not created any new content, and there are a numerous different reasons or explanations as to why I have not created any new content. Initially, when I created this YouTube channel, I had a wonderful idea as to what I wanted to do. I'd be reading letters, sharing advice. I shared it with my friends and people who support me, and a lot of them shared it with their friends who sent in a few letters. All right. After these letters were read, I pretty much had nothing else left to work with. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? All right, I've sat down and I've really thought about it. I don't want to get lost in the algorithm of YouTube. I want to remain relevant and I do want to create content. It's something that I want to do. It's a long term goal, and so I have to stick with it. So when things don't go the way you want them to go, you have to adapt and change, right? Cool. So this morning, instead of not creating any content because there's no letters, I am going to do a self-care routine. As you know, I'm a teacher living abroad. The area that I live in, I've not been able to find any natural hairdressers or anybody who knows anything about black hair. So, I have to fall back on myself. So this whole Sunday, I'm going to take myself from looking like this to looking like I'm ready to see the world. All right. So before we get started, let's talk about why self care is important. Self care is important so that you're putting your best self forward. If you don't take care of self, you cannot pour into anybody else's cup. And I have several cups I will need to pour into come Monday morning when my little ones come out to school. Okay. So, self care. I'm going to read an excerpt or a saying from this person called Laurie Buchanan, and we're going to see if anything she says makes sense. So, she says self care is a deliberate choice to gift yourself with people, places, things, events, and opportunities that recharge your personal battery. Yes. And promote whole health. This includes body, mind, and spirit. Yes. So I'm going to pour into me this morning. I'm going to deliberately recharge myself. When you don't look your best, it does something to your whole demeanor and how you present yourself to the world. Yes. And it does something to how people receive you. And so because I want to be received with respect, I want to be taken seriously, I am going to put my best self forward. All right? So watch me now. I'm going to be blow drying my 4C here. I have not decided if I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I have to do something with it. You want to see what's under this cap, people? Hey, OMG. It's a mess. Look at that. Mm-hmm. So when I washed it yesterday, I put in some little twist in it and thing. On a sudden, even twist up, I can tell say shrinkage is 100% there. Oh, yeah. So I can blow dry this and style it. I also said that I was going to say naked trios. These are lashes that I'm gonna install these, and let's see what that's gonna look like. So come along with me if you care to see. All right, so let's go. Hopefully I can drop some gems along the way that can help you to recharge your
So here,
personal
everybody,
battery for the week.
you're gonna see me talking to the camera, not recognizing or knowing that I was gonna do a voiceover. So I'm just basically detangling, and I am going to blow dry. But listen to this gem. If you want to have enough to give others, you will need to take care of yourself first. A tree that refuses water and sunlight for itself can't bear fruits for others. What is a self care Sunday without some morning affirmations? I am finding my own happiness. I feel strong and well today. I will be kind to myself today. I'm worthy of love and respect. I am surrounded by positivity. I will be productive and energetic all day. The sunrise fills me with energy and confidence. Now, people, if you look, boy, may I try to trust the process. Why may I put it into okay and row? I have an idea in my head what may I do. Have a little inspo picture what may I work with. Yeah. I may look and I see if may I do the right thing. OMG. I am in charge of my mind. I am grateful for all that I have.
All right, I have completed the hairstyle. It's as good as it's going to get. I'm gonna try to do my face. Kind of blend. I have to take off the glasses again. Cause I get one glass up close cause more under my eyebrow. It's not like home now. I'm from Montego Bay where you could have run go over options or find one barber. You know, to do your eyebrow. You have to do it yourself. Yeah. My eyebrows are really weird. Um they are thick at the front and nothing at the end.
Anyway,
Like
go on vibe now. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts. Always remain positive and optimistic. We get what we think. So by thinking positive, life will automatically be positive. Your girl about for tintar, bro. Yo. So me I take my little time. You know, my blend. So kinda trying not to rush it, you know. But it's all a good vibe today, Sunday. Take your time and do a little thing. And if you look, I didn't even recognize that I was blocking the camera, to be honest. But me I take my time and go on, you know. And not look too bad at all, you know. Even though one of the bro them higher than the other, the last of Father God make me a mesh kind of, you know, take it down a little bit so it kind of even the bro them kind of look like my family. Not look too bad at all. Yeah, you go Zinga, go Zinga, hey, go Zinga. Time to come makeup, girl. You say, going out to dinner this evening? Hey. No. People, me can't put on only for makeup like the girl in Instagram and TikTok, you know. Anyhow, me do like them makeup game just mash up. I've just take my little time and put on little bit and build upon it, you know. So that's what I'm doing here. A little, not too much. This is just a Shein setting powder. Yeah, I think I look bad at all. Girl, I look bad at all. So they look like they look a come together, you know, people. It a come together. Yeah. Alright, let's put on like a eyeshadow. Yeah. And lash check again. I did install those lashes. I got lip gloss. And now I'm setting my face. Okay, girl. You see, you're done. Dry. Okay. Hey. How me look? Tell me how me look, people. I think I look nice. Peace. Have a blessed day.